Now look at this. It says here that digital products are projected to be a $331 billion industry. Think about how mind-boggling that is. Okay? And these are products that are intangible. You cannot touch them. You cannot feel them. Okay? But they are worth a $331 billion. Okay? Now think about this. Okay? So what about if you have a product that's already done for you? You don't have to worry about if it's going to sell, how it's going to sell, exactly what to do about the product, because everything is already done for you. You get the emails, you have automated emails, so it's selling for you every day. They give you a community, a wonderful community of like-minded people that are doing the same thing that you're doing, and they're all rooting for you. You get mentorship, you get everything all in a box, okay? That's what you need, and that actually has been the missing piece for me in trying to make money online, okay? This product is what is allowing me to be able to make consistent money online, consistent money each and every day, with the strategies and the guidelines and the direction that they give me for a 2-hour workday. That is what has been missing from my life. That is what has been missing from my online journey of being able to make money online. Okay. So if you want to get this blueprint, if you want to be able to make money online consistently, working only 2 hours a day, type 1 in the comments and I will send you the blueprint.